everyone, this is Mary Grace Sagler, your student. For today's video, I will show you how to assemble and disassemble a system unit. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. Hard disk drive, also known as hard drive, is a magnetic storage device that is installed inside the computer. The hard drive is used as permanent storage for data in a Windows computer. The hard drive is usually configured as the C drive and contains the operating system and applications. An optical drive is a storage device that uses laser to read data on the optical media. There are three types of optical devices: compact disc, digital versatile disc, and Blu-ray disc. Network Interface Card or NIC. Random Access Memory or RAM. RAM holds data only when the power is on. When the power is off, RAM's contents are lost. Power Supply Unit or PSU. Installed at the back corner of the PC case, next to the motherboard. It converts 120 VAC or standard house power into DC voltage that are used by other components in the PC. A SATA cable, short for Serial Advanced Technology Attachment Cable, is used to connect storage devices like hard drive and SSDs to a computer's motherboard. System fan. It cools down all the components inside the system unit. Is located just below the power supply. 24 pins provides power to the motherboard, which in turn distributes it to various components like the CPU, RAM, and other onboard devices.